For the evidence of urbanization seems to be the ever-shrinking size of cultivable land. At present, agriculture gives livelihood to around 52% of the population. However, the rapid reduction of agricultural land is posing a serious threat in the production of food grains. Annually, the state requires a total of 5,46,350 tons of rice, while the state is able to produce 3,51,714 tons of rice only. Taking notice of the shrinking cultivable land, the Agriculture Department formed the Agriculture Land Use Policy Committee in 2013 to recommend appropriate policy framework of scientific and sustainable farm economy.
Hariba meeting sigi makhada Agriculture Land Use Policy Committee ma senghi hariba committee asi tang megi tang taret 2013 gi masida senghi bani hariba committee asina pangthoka daba khoi gi maroiba function di to recommend appropriate policy framework for scientific and a sustainable farm economy haiba sigi matangda committee ma semba haukhre.
The decrease in cultivable land can be attributed to lack of land use policy, inadequate land records and use of agricultural land for other purposes. Department of Agriculture had requested the government to amend the clause number 21 diversion of land under MLR and LR Act 1960. Under the Act, if a person holding land for any purpose wishes to divert such land or any part for any purpose, he shall apply for permission to the competent authority with the prior approval of the government. The state government is yet to give a positive response to the request.
Hariba committee asina su recommend tauhiba clause ama habidi clause number 21 of MLR and LR Act 1960 hariba clause asigi makhada leiba recommend tauhiba kano asi akhona hujik si government da amu draft si modify tawnana baina government da pisalaga leigre adu government na decide tawbirani adu hujik phawgi di government da policy si draft si recommend tawraga leijare.
Many civil organizations and private individuals are making effort to preserve agricultural land. Conservation of Paddy Land and Natural Resources Protection Committee Manipur launched awareness campaign at Kaisampat bus parking with posters "Save Agricultural Land, Save Manipur" slogan posted on the buses.
Urbanization is directly impacting the agricultural land in Manipur. If the government doesn't take immediate action to prevent the use of agricultural land for other purposes, then the vision of Manipur being self-sufficient of food grain will become a failure. In Imphal East with camera person Subhas Sungkham, this is Gita Yanglem, Impact News.